Hi guys, are you looking for an exciting new way to discover and enjoy music on Spotify? Look no further than DJ AI, the personalized virtual DJ that creates playlists tailored to your musical taste. So to get started, simply open the Spotify app on your device and search for DJ AI. Once you find the DJ AI profile, hit the follow button to start receiving personalized playlists. So, DJAI uses advanced artificial intelligence to analyze your listening habits, preferences, and feedback, and creates playlists that are tailored specifically to you. It's like having a personal DJ who knows exactly what you like to listen to. DJAI is always updating and refining its playlists, so you'll never run out of fresh and exciting musics to discover. Whether you're into the latest pop hits, underground Thai jams, or classic rock and roll, DJAI has you covered. So for you guys to know this, tutorial is for those people does not have a DJI mode on their phone because it depends on your phone or the country that you're located. So it is best for you to just follow these steps to have your own DJI. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring the world of DJI and in Spotify today and discover the perfect soundtrack for your life. Happy listening. Bye bye.